Nope, they found him a new little friend. There's a little corgi hanging out up here at the park. Spanky, play nice. You're too hyper. He's gonna get you. Hey, y'all gonna come play in the water? Here, now we have peaceful time without Spanky interrupting. He's just so rambunctious. You better be playing nice, big boy. Because I will come out there for you. Spanky, no. You're just too big for him. He doesn't need you on top of him. Yeah. Those little short legs on that dog. Let's go find y'all some water. This little puddle of water is almost deep enough for that dog to swim in. Tippy too. Tippy. Bring him over here. Tippy too. Tippy too. Here he comes. Yep, I can almost swim in that water. Y'all wanna go to the big puddle? Let's go to the big puddle, guys. Yep, I'm going to where all the water is. Yeah. And there they go. Dun, 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 dun. That little dog just loves Tippy. He's not so fond of Spanky because Spanky keeps stepping over the top of him and trying to be aggressive, dominant. And then when the little dog growls back at him, Spanky, don't make me come out in that water. When the little dog growls at Spanky, then Spanky catches an attitude about it. But Spanky, Spanky, I see what you're doing, leave him alone. He's too small for you, buddy. I know it's probably super windy on the camera. You probably can't hear me, but I'll mute it if it's real bad. Come on. Tippy! No! Come on. Come on. Man, y'all hurt that guy's little dog. Y'all gonna both be his, because I can't afford it. Golly, that's my biggest fear, is that they're gonna hurt this dog. Because the crazy dude that owns it, he told us the other day he paid $8,000 for that dog. He said he got it in Japan and flew it home for another $2,000. That makes it a $10,000 dog. I cannot have my animals hurting that thing. I mean, because if he was stupid enough to pay that much, well, he still paid it no matter what, you know? I mean, I hate to think anybody's that dumb, but I know they are. There's a lot of them. I like to think he was just making some stuff up because, wow, dang, that dog can swim out there, can't he? That water's over your top of your legs, little guy. Yeah. Oh, Spanky's making the park stink. Hey guys, Tippy, why don't y'all come play over here and let him do his business? Never mind. Yeah. Tippy, you leave him be. She is such a mean little girl. She's been fixed and she knows he can't hump on her, but she will still snap at him for trying. Look at how tiny you are, buddy. Pretty puppies. Spanky, you leave him alone. Yeah, we had a good rain last night. We got us a little lake going on. I think he's trying to tell Spanky, this is my girl, you stay away. Spanky already knows. Nobody gets that girl. She'll bite the crap out of you. What are y'all doing? Pretty boy. Say, oh boy, we get to get dried off and everything today. And rinsed down. Guess we don't have to show the houses back there, do we? Well, I'm going this way, guys. I think I'm going back the way I came. There's more water. Let's see. Yeah, that kind of gets dried up out that way. Let's go back this way. Boy, you better stay out of her butt. She's gonna get you. She don't kid around when it comes to her rear end. Are y'all gonna get in the water or what? I think he wants you to run and play, Tippy. Yeah, he wants you to run and play. Ooh. I'm walking on wet stuff over here. The whole sidewalk is underwater. Splish splash all around me. What are you puppies doing? Oh, there he goes. Got his leash in his mouth. Yeah, once Spanky quits trying to be a butthole, he's actually a pretty good dog with the little dogs. The problem is this one's a boy, and you know how it is, two boys get together. Sometimes they don't get along. He's making it stink, guys. Why don't y'all give him a minute? Come on. Well, they just won't leave him alone. There he comes. They're like, we all have to sniff it. Can't just be pooping around here without us sniffing. Spanky, don't start that again. He's too little. He's not even half your size. You're a boisterous little guy, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Well, come on, let's go. He's gonna bark at Tippy one time too many, and she's gonna wind up hurting him. I'm trying to keep Spanky from hurting him, and it's gonna be Tippy that does it. Come on, come on. Come on. There's no need to get excited. Come on. Yeah. There he goes. There he goes, Spanky boy. Come on. Come on, Tip. Tippy. Come on. He'll follow you. Yeah, because he doesn't listen to me at all. He's not my dog. Yeah. That's not my dog. He's wet. They're all wet.
No.
Oh, she just wants some love.
No.
Yeah. Tell him, say, but I love you. Yeah, pretty tippy. I see you, big boy. I see you. There you're on the camera now. Where are you going? Oh, yeah.
Benny, you gonna raise some more hell?
Say that's all I've been doing. Making a lot of noise, huh? Yeah, making a lot of noise.
$8,000 dog.
Bull. Say I'm not no $8,000 dog. Oh, you gonna go see your human? He's over there in the car. I know. I'm gonna stay right here with Tippy. I like me some Tippy.
I don't know why. It's amazing.
She doesn't like him as much.
Not at all.
She's like, quit trying to hump me, you little bastard. There he comes. Now get around backside so he can sniff your hiney, huh? Oh, he's actually being a good boy. Yeah, he's being a good boy. He's back there hiding from the wind, huh? Using
What
Lauren.
are you gonna do?
Are you using Lauren for a windbreak? Yeah. Silly old dog. With your little 4-inch tall legs. Look at them little bitty legs. Oh my God, they're so little.
Tell you what, he's fast. With them little legs, he's fast.
Yeah, faster than me. That doesn't take a lot. Say my human's coming back.
No.